What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're continuing our Rustoleum custom mix series with a brand new spray out. We got two more Rustoleum colors, we got an Austin Pearl, and we're going to see if we can make something really cool. Ultimately, you guys get to decide. 1, you don't love it. 5, it's the best thing you've ever seen, and rated anywhere in between. Anything goes, whatever you guys want. But today, like I said, we're doing a dual color spray out, a two-tone on this fender behind me. We're going to be using, first off, Rustoleum Gloss Purple, because I had somebody that wanted to see a certain particular pearl over top of that. And we're going to be using Gloss Cranberry, which is kind of a burgundy color. And I had somebody that wanted to see a particular pearl over that. So I'm knocking out two different subscribers' spray outs in one video. And the pearl we're going to be using today is yellow gold. It's a very popular pearl. I've used it for a lot of different spray outs. It's really cool at creating a lot of cool effects over different colors, and it's what everybody wanted to see. So without further ado, we're going to take this Rustoleum, we're going to spray this fender down really good, two-tone it, and then we're going to apply some cool pearls and see, is it what everybody likes or is it a fail? Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so I got my fender behind me sprayed out with Rustoleum Purple and Burgundy. Looks pretty cool. Nice little two-tone effect. Anyways, I got 4 ounces of clear mixed up right here. I've got the medium activator today because it's about 65 degrees. So I'm going to put 1 ounce of that in because this stuff mixes 4 to 1. And we're going to add the pearl in. Now this particular clear coat, I don't necessarily recommend to go full scale simply because it doesn't have the best UV protection. It's really just a budget clear to spray with. But if you're interested in buying good clear, if you want to buy pearls you see done in my videos or paint guns or any of that type of stuff, guys, my link's in the description. It takes you to my Amazon page. As seen on YouTube, you can buy any of the products. I put everything on there. I get a small kickback, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra. And you can get it quick with Prime and everything else that Amazon has to offer. But anyways, the pearl we're using today is yellow gold. This is probably one of my favorite pearls just simply because the gold effect over most colors is just, it's so cool. But I've mixed up 5 ounces of clear. This is a 5-gram bag, but I've used it a couple times. And we'll probably put about half a gram in there. And I'm basically just going to spritz a little bit. It don't take a lot. And we're just going for an effect, and it's just a fender. So anyways, all right, that should be plenty. I'm going to mix this up real quick. And I'll bring you guys in for a close-up so you can see the pearl in action in the clear. So straight away you can probably tell why I like this pearl so much. I've used it for so many projects. You use it to create a lot of different factory style colors like Lamborghini orange. If you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. But man, it's a really awesome color, and I can't wait to load up the gun and shoot it over these two colors today and see what kind of effect we get. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so as always, I'm shooting with my V-bore gun today. Got my pearls loaded up. You want to keep them agitated, so just kind of slosh the paint gun around lightly to keep everything mixed up while you're spraying. And like I said, I'm shooting my V-bore gun, 1.4 tip. I generally shoot for 28 PSI wide open trigger, so you just squeeze the trigger, and if you get 28 PSI, you're there. Adjust your settings however you like them. This is just what I do. If you want to replicate my settings, you're more than welcome to. But first off, we're going to lay a tack coat on this real quick, and then we'll probably do another coat or two till we get the desired effect, and then we'll see what the final results are. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so that's the spray out today. Gloss purple and gloss burgundy or cranberry with a gold pearl over top. Now, to the ones that actually requested it, did it do what you thought it was going to do, and how do you like it? But everybody rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the best thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between. And no opinion's wrong. We're all in this to learn together and just having fun on this channel. That's what this whole series is all about. But if you made it this far in the video today, guys, and you like what I'm doing, and you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Drop me a like and comment. Let me know how I'm doing. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers. When we hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm giving away paint guns, pearl sets, just like the pearl you saw used today, and all kinds of goodies. And the only thing you have to do to win is be subscribed. So it's a win-win for both of us. I get subscribers, you get free stuff, right? So anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching today. If you want to buy any of the products you see on this video, Amazon links in the description. I see it on YouTube. And I'm sorry about the simulated sunlight. It was a little bit of a cloudy, overcast day today, so I had to break out my old light and just kind of simulate sunlight that way. But I hope you got a good idea of what this would look like even out in the sun. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. But like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I'll see you guys in the next episode. God bless. Have a good one. I'm out.